Days equals 1 colon Sunday 2 colon Monday. That's a dictionary. X equals set days. I'm turning days into a set. Type of X is a set. I key in X and look what I get. A 1 and a 2. Those are the keys from the dictionary. They have become the set. The 1 and the 2. Here, days equals Sunday colon 1. I've reversed it. Monday colon 2. Sunday and Monday are the keys now. Y equals set of days. That's this guy. Type of Y is a set. Y is Sunday, Monday. Those are the keys from the dictionary, which now have become the set members. End of 41, beginning of 42. A equals hello, how are you? Type A, class string. Let's make a set. Hello, how are you? B equals set of A. So what type of construct is B? It's a set. Trouble. Hello, how are you? Has dupes H, H, L, L, and 2 O's. Trouble. So B equals set A. What does B look like? B looks like this. H, O, comma, space, E, L, R, W, U. Wow. Here's a comma as a set member. Here's a space as a set member. No dupes are allowed in a set. Note how the set is unordered. Super unordered. End of 42, beginning of 43. A equals squares. That's a list. A dot append 5. A equals 5. A dot append 6. A dot append 7. What is A in A? 5, 6, 7. Now, A dot remove 6. What's in A? 5 and 7. Hit A, I get 5, 7. Is 5 in A? 5 is in A, yes? True. 6 is in A, yes? False. We just wiped that guy out. Hit A, I get 5 and 7. Now let's use a little bit of double negative logic. 6 is not in A. True? Or negative logic. 6 is not in A. True? True. 7 is not in A. True? No, that's false. 7 is in A. It's right there. End of 43, beginning of 44. Import OS. From OS import get current working directory. Get CWD. Key it in, and I get Python 3. From OS import list directory. Okay, now I'll be able to use list directory without keying in import dot. Without keying in os dot list directory. Okay. A equals list directory, and I assign it to A. Print out the contents of A, and this is what I get. What an ugly listing of everything in my directory. Let's make it look nice. X equals 0 for item in A. For each item in A, that list, print X, which is now 0, a comma, and then the item. Then increment X. X is now 1. If X is greater than 6, break out. It's going to print out every item, every element in item. I said that bad. It's going to print out every item in the A list and then stop. Well, almost gets to 6 first, in which case it'll break out. So here we go. 0 through 6, and then it broke out. Nice listing. End of 44, beginning of 45. Here's my directory. Here's my file called students.db. It's 2K long. os.path.getSize, and then the path and the name of the file. I get 2048. That's pretty accurate. Is this path absolute? That's the big question now. Okay, let's find out. I import os. os.path that I'm going to give you. Mr. OS? Yes. I'm going to give you a path. Yes. Tell me if it is absolute or not. // Python 3. True, it is. Okay. OS? Yeah. I'm going to give you another path. Is it absolute? It says it's false. Why? Because colons are not allowed for an absolute path. That's why. There's a colon in here. You're getting a false. os.path. OS? Yes. This path. Is it absolute? H:python 3. Answer false. Because there's no // os.path. Is this absolute? / Python 4455. He says true. But the problem is I don't have this path. It doesn't exist on my computer. But it still gives me a true. So I guess the path format is being what is being evaluated. Interesting. os.path. Is this a directory? H:/ Python 3 students.db? No, false. Why? Because this is a file name, not a directory. os.path dot os? Yes. Take this path and would you normalize it? Normalize this path. Okay, I will. H:/ Python.3/students.db takes all the slashes and it converts the forward slashes to backslashes. Like so. That's normalized. Okie dokie. A equals H:/Python. H:/Python 3. If os.path is directory. OS? Yes. This path. If it is a directory, yes. This guy here, and it is, then do the following. Change directories to what? To that path. // logarithm. Okay. And print out the word valid on the screen. Okay. Then print out get current working directory. Okay. And it does. Valid. Prints out valid. And here's the logarithms directory. Else, if that path is not valid, change directories to A, which is this guy here, Python 3. But this guy does exist. So he prints out valid, and then it prints out the name of that directory, /logarithms. Next one, A equals H Python 3 students.db. Okay, P equals H Python 3 students.db. OS, yes, the path that I give you. Tell me if they have the same file name on the end. Okay, what are the variables? A and B. Okay, are they the same? They're the same, yes? This is the same file. This is the same file. True? True. It is. Now, over here. These are not the same. A is students.db. C is students2.db. OS, yes. The path I'm going to give you, yes. They're the same file, yes? These two? Yes, they're the same file, right? False. They're not the same. os.path, yes. The base name is what? Well, HPython students.db, last guy standing. That's the one that gets printed out right here. os.path, what's the base name? It's going to be Python 3. That's the last guy. And it is. os.path, yeah. OS, yeah. This path, what's the base name? Python 3. Oh, there's a little backslash. Yeah, the last guy is going to be a blank. Quote. That's the last guy standing. Key and C, hit enter, and I get this path. Students2.db. OS? Yes. You know this path I'm going to give you in the variable? Yes. Expand that variable, please. Okay, that gives me the full path now. And the name of the file. Okay. OS? Yes. This path I'm going to give you. Yes. Tell me the relative path from one to the other. From the second guy to the first guy. Okay, what would I key in to get from, to get here, get to the first guy, from here, that is from the second guy? Very easy. I'd have to key in. The answer is change directories and then ... That'll take me up to the root. This is the root. Alright, what if they're reversed? What if I want to go from the root to d logarithms? Okay, OS, tell me what would be the path, the relative path I'd have to key in. OS.path, tell me the relative path to get to logarithms. Well, you'd have to key in cd space, yes, and then this guy, logarithms. So to get from d logarithms to d : backslash, you key in cd space logarithms. To get, I think I said that wrong. To get two logarithms from the root, key in cd space logarithms. That's it. Here's an example, cd space logarithms, and I get to the logarithms directory. Now to get back to the root, I key in cd space ... And I'm back to the root. That brings me to the end of 45. Thanks so much for listening. This is George Boole. Bye-bye.